Good morning, my dear student friends. I am Dr. A. Lakshmana, Associate Professor of Mathematics. Today we will discuss about differential equations, engineering mathematics. Already we have discussed the two units of the differential equations. This is the third lesson of the differential equation. We will discuss about formation of differential equation of model 3 and model 4. In earlier class we will discuss about order degree and formation of differential equation model 1 and model 2 only. Now we will discuss about model 3 and model 4. This is model 3. For example, this equation is there. Y is equal to e power 2x into c1 cos 2x 3x plus c2 sin 3x. Solution of the question number 1 solution is, so this is the coefficient of e power 2x is 2 plus, so coefficient of x here 2 only. Another is cos and sin means e power I theta. E power I theta means cos theta plus I sin theta. This is the Euler function only, that is plus or minus 3i only. So alpha is equal to 2 plus 3i, beta is equal to 2 minus 3i. So what is the equation forming differential equation is y double dash minus alpha plus beta. Alpha plus beta means plus 3i minus 3 cancel, 2 plus 2 4. 4 into y dash plus here alpha plus beta, that is a plus b, a minus b. A square means 4, b square minus b square minus means 3 square 9, I square minus 1 plus 9 only of y is equal to 0. That is y double dash minus 4y dash plus 13y is equal to 0 is a required differential equation for this one only. For second one, here again what is the coefficient of x here? 3. So 3 plus or minus root 3 only, because of the cos hx plus I sin hx only. Cos hx plus I sin hx only, not I only. This is not a Euler function only. Therefore, let us consider this is a root 3 plus or minus 3, root 3 only. 3 plus or minus 3 only. That is alpha is equal to 3 plus root 3, beta is equal to 3 minus root 3. Therefore, what is the equation is y double dash minus sum of roots. Sum of roots is, this is cancel only, this is a 6y dash plus the product of roots is, what is the product of roots? A plus b and a minus b. A square means 9, b square means 3 only. Y is equal to 0. That is y double dash minus 6y dash plus 6y is equal to 0 is a required differential equation. So we will look at the techniques for the applying formation of differential equation. We have 4 techniques already we studied. Now, in generally what we are generally given, this problem is given, find the differential equation. How many constants are there? Only one constant there. That is solution y is equal to c into x minus c whole square. How many constants are there? Only one constant. How can derive the formation of differential equation? Here first of all this is 1. Differentiating the equation 1 with respect to x, that is y dash is equal to here 2c into x minus c. This is equation 2 only. Because how many constants? Only one constant. We are eligible for derivative only once. That is one time we are derivative. That is 1 by 2. You can immediately apply 1 by 2. Y by y dash is equal to y by y dash means x into x minus c whole square by 2c into x minus c. So this is cancelled and this c is also cancelled. What we are getting? X minus c by 2. That means x minus c is equal to 2y by y dash and c is equal to x minus 2y by y dash. What is original equation? This is the original equation only. Original equation y is equal to, here c means x minus 2y by y dash into x minus c means, what is x minus c? 2y by y dash whole square. So we substituting x minus 2y by y dash and 2y by y dash whole square. So we can write here take LCM x y dash minus 2y by y dash into 4y square by y dash whole square. Y dash whole square. So therefore y is equal to, here y is equal to, so one y is cancelled only. So take a right side is there, that is y dash into y dash whole square means y dash whole cube is equal to, this is 4y into xy dash minus 2y. This is the final equation of our differential equation, formation of differential equation only, right? Coming to the second one, ax square plus by square is equal to 1. How many constants are there? 2 constants. What is the procedure? Differentiating twice with respect to x and eliminating that constants a comma b. Then only we are getting a differential equation. So we can apply this one immediately 1. So differentiating 1 with respect to x, that is immediately 2ax plus 2by into y dash is equal to 0. So 2 cancel only, ax is equal to a. Okay, so ax square plus by square is equal to 1 only, right? Therefore differentiating with respect to x on both sides, that is 2ax square derivative is 2x into, that means 2ax plus 2b into y dash is equal to 0. Constant derivative 0, right? So this is nothing but minus of b into y dash. Y into y dash. This is the implies y dash by x is equal to, because of this is taken as b, a taken as this side and b this one, or this is taken, this is y into y dash is there and b taken as this side and x is taken this side, that means minus a by b only. This is equation 2 only. Again a derivative with respect to x on both sides. This is u by v method only and uv method only. That is d by dx of y dash by x is equal to d by dx of minus a by b only. So because of minus a by b is 0, so its derivative is 0 only. So what we are applying? First of all, you can apply u by v method and the simultaneously u method only. So implies x into u, x into this derivative only, y into y double dash plus y dash into this derivative is y dash only, right? Minus another is y dash, if x derivative is 1, x derivative is 1 only, by x square is equal to 0. So go to right side only. This implies x into y double dash plus y dash whole square minus y dash is equal to 0 is a required solution of our differential equation.
8 minutes 13 seconds వచ్చింది. ఇంకొక మోడల్ ఏదైనా ఉంటే
ప్రాబ్లం అవుతుందంటే
చెప్పే.
ప్రాబ్లం రాస్తాను, రైస్ చేసి
నేను చేయదు వదిలేండి.
So now So another problem is a word problem, so working problem or word problem. Find the differential equation of the family of a circles passing through origin and whose center on x-axis, one model, y-axis another model. How can solve this problem? Solution. Draw the figure. This is x-axis and this is y-axis. So first of all, we are finding a differential equation. Before that, family of a circle passing through origin. Passing through origin means the circle is like this or like this. Whose center on x-axis? That means our circle is always passing through. This is our circle only. This is our circle only, right? So this is the origin 0, 0. So this is A. So this center is A comma 0. So what is the equation of the circle? General equation of the circle is x minus h whole square plus y minus k whole square is equal to r square only. Here center is A comma 0 and radius is A. So you replace the values, implies x minus a whole square plus y minus 0 whole square is equal to a square. You can simplify x square plus y square minus 2ax plus a square is equal to a square. This is cancel only. Therefore, x square plus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0 is our equation of the circle passing through the origin whose center on x-axis. So this is our equation of the circle only. So first of all, this is differentiating with respect to x and eliminating the constant, we get a differential equation. So now, the equation is the equation of the circle passing through the origin whose center on x-axis is x square minus y square minus 2ax is equal to 0. So differentiating 1 with respect x, that is 2x minus 2y into y dash minus 2a is equal to 0. So 2a is equal to what is the value? 2x minus 2a 2y into y dash. Replace that value, therefore x square minus y square, here 2x minus 2y into y dash into x is equal to 0. Simplify this one. X square minus y square minus 2x square minus 2xy into y dash is equal to 0. X square minus 2x square means the simple is nothing but here y square minus x square, here minus y square minus x square minus 2xy y dash is equal to 0. Simple is known as x square plus y square minus 2xy into y dash is equal to 0 is a required solution of our. So finally, here x square plus y square minus 2ax is the differential equation of the circle passing through origin whose center on x-axis. Differentiating with respect to x, that is x square plus 2x 2y into y dash minus 2a is equal to 0. That is means 2a is equal to 2y into y dash plus only, right? You are putting the plus value, you put in the plus value. That implies y square minus x square plus 2xy into y dash is equal to 0 is the required solution for the problem only. Similarly, we can solve the second one, right? Thank you very much for good listening.